I'm gonna start over. Bobcat 873. Trying to remove this lift cylinder right here. That came out real easy. That was just a 9/16 bolt, and pushed it out the other side with a just like a little extension for the socket and a little tap with the socket. And that thing came right out. And then down here, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it where my finger's pointing. There's a 9/16 bolt that goes through there, bolt nut. And once that came out, this was able to rotate. Now, just as I turn this counterclockwise, it's backing out. Don't ask me why. The repair manual says to use a slide hammer, but this seems to be working for me. And that's how I'm removing this cylinder right here. I gotta take the whole thing out because this skid steer was in a fire. And back up a little bit here. I've got to replace the hoses. I gotta put the new fuel tank in, and I've got to take this out to get the new fuel tank in. And the only way to get that out is to remove these 3 1.125, I think they're 1.125 bolts, but you can't access them unless you take out the lift cylinder. So I'm taking out the lift cylinder, I'm going to put new hoses on it and get the tank back in there. Bobcat 873.